I'm a choosing.
Jesus! Hey! Besede! Mami lẹ́wọ̀n.
Hello, Daddy.
Look at.
Daddy, as I dey come from where I go collect lapo.
Ma babo.
Now so my car they do fele the brake it go fail. Now so you go hit one man for head. Daddy, I am so proud in the lot to tell you that my car did not even have a scratch.
What's up, my people on a day? Welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. It's your boy Obi King, and guys, please make sure to stick to the very end of this video, because you know now, as I always do, I always make sure I bring you guys the best of reaction. So all you have to do is just to sit down, stick to the end of this video. So without saying much, let's go have some fun.
Bismillah, motide, motide.
I won't buy fuel.
Move that boy. I don't know. You dey ask me? Can you imagine?
Fuel na 1 night per liter. 1 night.
1
per
night.
liter. Give me full tank.
Full tank.
Full tank.
For 1 night. You know why?
Oh, Gabi. Charlie.
Make una listen.
Easy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Full tank.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Oga.
You don't get money, oh.
Run away.
You don't get money.
PS or transfer? Pion.
Yeah.
I'm a chosen.
I
don't see him. Ogami. You don't enter Ogami. I don't see him. I don't see him.
I'm a chosen. The way that I chosen. Thank God.
For 2 weeks, wait for it don't cost. Nobody don't buy full tank. Take. And your souvenir with this.
Because I'm chosen.
Clapper for
Now my 10th testimony with this.
God, I'm chosen. Don't bless you.
Everybody mean I gather na money or sapu.
They are choosing. Who are you? They are choosing. Who are you?
Jesus.
You won't break my leg.
I beg, I'm very sorry. I define one madman for this area.
Because I don't wear my glass. They think I'm a madman. Come on, get out of this place.
But bros, wait to one give the madman 10 million naira cash.
Come with me, let me show you.
Switch it up, baby.
Okay, I mean, the culture of almost crazy, almost mental. I don't know why for the past 10 years. I'm even showing my madness certificate.
So you are a madman?
There's no money on ground. Our mouth is dry like a sound on the desert.
Thank you.
We do everything to get rich, we do everything to stay rich, and do everything to stay richer.
Jesus! I am a chosen. I am a chosen. Who are you? Ritualist.
Madman soon are chosen. Everybody are chosen now. Everybody now are chosen.
Because what?
I
have a testimony.
And that is how the Lord of Chosen turned the lion into a brand new car for me.
Everybody don't turn chosen. Everybody don't turn chosen.
A very bad boy.
A very bad boy.
I am not chosen. You wicked man. Who are you?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting? Do you want to kill me?
It's the baby that said I should wake you up with this stick.
You know why? Until they worry you.
The baby said she use stick to wake me up.
Have you want fire?
The baby is craving something.
So what is the baby craving for?
Jollof rice. Patty jollof rice.
Party jollof rice.
Party jollof rice.
You and this your baby. You know they born this your
Let me go
baby.
and buy it for mega chicken.
Where they go?
What is it again?
The baby said he wants burial party jollof rice. Then they use firewood to cook, and the firewood will be sent inside.
You didn't want?
Yes.
Is the baby mad? Who they do better and go see firewood jollof for this lady?
By this time of the day.
I won't go see firewood jollof.
She know they ever born. She's like Shabia. She's been pregnant for years. She know they born.
May God not allow them make them kill.
Hello, Ben Cash. I beg anybody they do better for your area. I know if a family member die when I want to do better. Ide.
You're a man.
Thank you.
Burial rice. Now wife one job. They crave burial rice. You never serious.
70 years old man.
This guy, you
70 years old man.
Hey,
you don't play a go.
Can you imagine? I went to Obiaroko to get this party rice.
That's true. This is real burial jollof rice. I can smell the firewood.
I can go any length to make my pikin happy.
Thank you, baby. I'm full.
You never eat anything. Now don't worry. Eat. Now me go big am.
No, me and the baby just wanted to perceive the
aroma.
firewood that they used to prepare.
You the wine?
Me and the baby, we are full now.
You and the baby are big fool.
Women are scorpions.
Just chop your food, I beg. This your wife, I mean her girlfriend. She know well at all. She know get sense.
Hey, young man, stop there. Stop there. They stress me. Give me that laptop fast. Why? You ask me why? I'll shoot you. Give me a laptop. Make I put my laptop for your hand. Hey! My brother, I am a choosing. Give me that gun. No fear.
Everybody that chosen now.
Give me the gun.
You don't collect the gun, no. Because say you chosen.
Mommy,
As you dey kneel down so, until you not see me again, you dey waka for this street before you go stand up. Nonsense. One mess to choosing.
This guy, you don't get sense. Your own, they're always different. You don't get one sense. What's going on here? Don't wait.
My wife, you won't use me? But I trust you now.
I don't tire. No food, no water. This marriage don't tire me.
Okay, even if you use me, how much you want making?
100 million.
100 million. Use that.
You sure?
Use that. 100 million.
But you don't catch
You go
me.
finish
I
now.
don't see you. I don't see you, I swear. Hey, I don't see you. Use me, I beg you.
Use them now.
Wait. Hope say if you use me, I no go die.
No,
You go die
but the
now,
mama
wetin
talk
you
say you go be imbecile.
Imbecile.
Yes.
And that one is small thing and we go still share the money. Oh yeah, use me. Ah, my own don't better.
3 weeks later.
This guy's not your sense, I swear.
I'm choosing. You go better. O jaro ba to san. Kolo mo ja sanku. O de san tight o kilo de to wa tight
You
fún
two
mi
are
báyìí.
choosing.
I'm choosing.
Hey!
Now choosing still kill you myself. Now your choosing member, now still kill you. Everybody now choosing, no one. Even me, I be choosing.
Now so my car they do fele the brake you go fail. Now so you go eat one man for head. Daddy, I'm so proud in the lot to tell you that my car did not even have a scratch.
You go better, Penny.
The man he don't drive.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Wait, though. Can you imagine?
I'm a Joseph.
You know that.
I swear to God.
And get it. There you go. And I'm not serious for this place. I don't see him.
Who is Nike?
Hey! He's out!
I
saw you die, you.
Solo, 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 solo.
Who take her, who take her,
Yes.
who take her? She's a Wario.
Who be that?
Funky.
Baba wants soap, guys.
My guy.
Open. Hey! Copy.
Yes, I did be now, my guy.
Now you get me this.
Now my new baby be this.
You mean now?
Hi.
Last, this your girl with spare code.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now welcome. So I go for now.
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Anything.
I dey come.
Okay.
Wow, it has a nice place.
Yes. Yash.
Like bro, I dey come.
Wow, such a nice guy.
Very nice boy. You don't pay. Yash.
Excuse me. What is this?
Now water is life.
Oh,
After guy, they play now.
Guy, why you no go get both water for us?
Guys, you suppose understand this on this not do with me now.
How?
You get what I expect. Now you say you come now, go buy water, buy juice there for now.
You don't really expect.
Una get supermarket for you?
Yes, supermarket day.
Hey, me go buy water for me and my babe.
Yeah, now.
Babe, I dey call, make I just switch outside, come back.
what will I be doing here? This house is boring. No light. Please let me come with you guys.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, now more they go. Eh? I got you again as spare code.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, he closed the door a minute ago. This guy no get joy.
If anybody talk say, I don't know why una come.
Chance I hold him.
Sabi why una come. But it go good make una take una own mouth tell me. Na tradition.
Thank you so much. Before you see me and my son enter under this sun come your house, now better thing carry us come.
Son.
So, I see.
Now 2 days ago, now my pikin tell me, say get beautiful flower. Wait see for your compound. Now that flower make men come plug them.
I know now the things that they burn here and a flower. Now me they burn those flowers so. I mean they burn them. And people just they collect. So now don't come with our own now. We thank God. My pikin, what thing you they do? What thing be your work?
Let's have it.
Sir, I'm into crypto. Yeah.
Crypto.
So taking care of my wife and the children that will give birth to
Will not be a problem. I know.
Now crypto you they do.
Yes, sir.
Crypto now work.
Crypto is buying and selling of coin.
Coin. What thing be coin?
Bitcoin.
Baba knows anything.
Bit. Okay. Anyway, I not say before you come. When I go down the chop secretly. You go down finish my data. You're a bad boy.
Anyway,
no problem. As you want money, I go take care of him. You will take care of him very well. Titus! Vanessa Titus!
Yes.
My instigator, progenitor, and cosmo progenitor that brought me to this cosmos universe and cosmocosm. I heard you beckoning my name. I had to galvanize to this Indaba.
Now this your grandma and they spoil everything for this house. Waiting because more again. At the time say see people who want marry your sister with this.
So they are the Homo sapiens that want to co-join and amalgamate with your beautiful offsprings who happens to be my consanguineous sister, and they want to eclipse her in a state of tremendous and stupendous affection and love. It is no cataclysm.
Papa, see, you go want this or not? This girl don't try me for this house, right? If I run it out, if I run it out.
Yeah, go inside. No, I know.
Super family.
Yeah, now.
No,
family.
Help me.
Hey, don't mind.
Don't mind that. Now play, they play inside. You got to say now fight, not be fight too.
Planet Grace, I don't get sense. Your father, I will bring it. Jesus
See
Christ.
they won't come marry you.
See that Grace? Your father!
Your father they outside.
Sure, I tell you that. I tell you, come outside here. Una the Grace. Una watch my business for me.
Business.
These people. What did they worry you now? This is why they're here now. I'm going to come marry her.
Jesus. They don't go.
Where did they galvanize and propel to?
You should say no be your grandma, cause
Jesus. And somebody carry them go. Where they run on my car don't love. Better family of chaos. I'm not go marry for every change.
This grandma when they speak everything, I don't tell you. I don't want to take a meeting with your grandma. I send you go school, not to go learn grammar, not to go learn book. You come here, carry grammar, they scatter everywhere. People will call carry grammar. And then your grandma now turn this girl now make him begin run mad. Now your grandma scatter her head. What type of nonsense with this?
Gaga to one gaga.
Hey! Gaga. Oh, Gaga, that Gaga now go kill you. Any day when you try that Gaga here, if I'm not one Gaga for you, now you're gonna say no be me. I be your papa, no be you born me. Lessons.
They look for Babalawo.
This guy don't joke. This guy was
that pastor they preach. I don't dey church this morning. I don't even know if I go church. Children when they pray for, not be say their life they better. Better go dey whole press for church. They pray. I will call this so that go 6 months send.
I go whole breast they pray. Who does that?
Hello. Hello. Back. What da? I do dinner. Oh, remember you still send me money. Money not there. With your money not sit there. Every time money not there. You know they work. And I've been a woman you just carry.
Jesus.
I get recharge card you collect.
Recharge card you send you make I go sell her for you, Sato. I go just sell her for her. Man, take cool.
Yeah, I might call her for you.
Okay, Oja. I better make her look for something right now. Oja, call her.
My focus off.
Your phone goes off. Oja, call her quick. Charge for you, not the charge.
1 2 3 7.
7. Continue now.
2 5
0 1
0
0.
Now for granted the right time. Battery don't die.
Hello.
Yeah, battery don't die now.
Phone don't off. You not there with the charge phone. Phone don't off. And I want to tell her thank you. We not be like say you're ungrateful.
Let's have it.
Yeah.
Yes.
You not go school.
Which of you not go school? The number not correct.
I think 1 2 3. Now say 1 before.
Now 4 be the next number now. After 1 2 3.
Hey, clean up.
You said it for passing.
Small boy with a big man.
A big pin off. My heart is a bit fast. Can you put that grave you want to put me so?
Let's go myself.
Can you go to feed this me? Can you go to that grave you look what you want to give me? You want to give me Joe? I don't want.
This guy don't get sense. Which guy want me with this guy?
The devil has been waiting for you since to fail.
Hope no clouds are blocking the view.
Kill him, we don't fight.
Papa, what is so? Now, Mr. Russell, he just sick night there.
Yeah.
And I won't copy a small part of the 10 million where they want. Anyways, God knows best.
You don't win. Jesus don't come. Jesus don't come for you show. Jesus go wake up. Jesus go wake up. Jesus will wake him from the dead. Nothing you want to tell me. Lazarus. We are paying the 10 million. Pay him.
Who that check?
Some of you are just evil.
Lazarus don't wake. We are pay him.
I do.
Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Send your account.
You know, boy.
Bro, calm down. You go see me now. I did rude. You go see me.
Are you sure?
Yes, now calm down. Okay.
Danjuma.
See, have you not seen motor? Have you?
Just pray.
It's one now. What for movement? And I like Ghana. And not also going to it has to be interested. It has to be witty. Oh boy.
I'm not doing this stuff. I don't understand. You know what change the woman.
All this big now. Now big.
It's okay.
Fine girl. How you doing on this hot song? Let me give you a ride.
Surviving is winning, Franklin. Everything else is bullshit.
Don't forget, want to stop.
So you're not talking, eh? You must be stressed out too.
Now man, you carry it.
Talk now. I gotta talk something now.
Oh, that's what you now see what you
Pew.
No, chase me out.
What's with this?
I'm a choosing.
Waiting Chico, everyone blue.
I'm woman now for I'm lost. I think I'm lost.
I think I like this. How
much is this?
250,000.
250,000 naira for dress.
It's real diamond.
I beg you, I no fit buy am. Me whenever chop, make I buy dress 250,000.
If you explain, Kaya, no evidence.
No
I mean, you get evidence.
How much is this?
Toby! Ever since broke up.
Please, what is he doing with the clothes I want to buy? What is he doing with this clothes? Where's my card? Has he gone?
Yes, ma'am.
See, money is not the problem. Please pack it.
Caro, make I go tell my madam say the clothes not finished.
Okay. Madam, are you married?
No, I dey work for this plaza. I get madam with I dey work for.
Then begin shiftly. So you give me the gun. I collect
No,
one.
don't guys go
I put that for my shoulder. I collect the second.
Pride. So much pride. It will spoil things. You understand? So much pride will spoil things. Wish for just cool down. You understand? Wish for just cool down. Now she don't use pride. Pay for waiting, she no get the money. That's just it. Anyways, thanks guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate you guys watching this video to the very end. Make sure to check out my other videos. Guys. There's so many videos on my channel, and if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the coming one. Peace and love.